So this is the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. Oops, my bad. S22 Ultra. Does it even matter what we call it? I guess not. But what we can surely say is that Samsung has done a great job combining these two flagship phones in one body. Samsung used to have two different types of flagship phones. One is Galaxy S series, which mainly focused on performance and camera system, and another one is Note series, which mostly focused on productivity through the use of the S Pen. Now, all wrapped up into Galaxy S22 Ultra. So today, we will be reviewing the Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra. There we go. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra might not bear the name of the Note, but it carries the essence of the Note series, which is pretty amazing news for both Galaxy Note and S series fans. Now you can use the device to increase your productivity along with capturing outstanding night photography. And how did Samsung actually achieve it? By creating the phone in a square-shaped body layout with a dedicated S Pen slot, which was the design Samsung used in the previous Galaxy Note series model. Wrapping up with an aluminum frame, the S22 Ultra is extremely strong and will endure almost any kind of external damage. Moreover, both the S Pen and the S22 Ultra come with an IP68 rating to resist water and dust, so you can even take post-cardio notes without damaging the device. And then, about the display, there is no doubt why Samsung is called the largest display company in the world. Yet again, Samsung nailed the display quality with Galaxy S22 Ultra. Like its predecessor, Galaxy S22 Ultra is the largest and greatest smartphone in the S series lineup. It has a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus AMOLED display that delivers outstanding color saturation. Samsung also upgraded the peak brightness from 1500 nits all the way to 1750 nits, making it ideal for viewing even when outdoors. It also features up to a 120Hz refresh rate to provide you with a smooth experience while gaming or switching between apps. Besides, the LTPO display technology lets S22 Ultra dial back to 1Hz from 120Hz whenever you're looking at something static like web pages or images, which is a nice addition to save your phone's battery life. In terms of the S Pen, which makes it feel like a Galaxy Note, you can find it on the below left side of the device. Besides, the S Pen has never felt better, as Samsung claimed that they improved the quality by reducing the latency to a great extent. However, the last version of the S Pen had a latency of about 9 milliseconds, but this time, Samsung managed to trim it down to just 2.8 milliseconds, all thanks to the improved AI system. You can fully rely on this pen, as you won't feel any stuttering at all. It not only knows where the stylus is registering, but also can predict where the S Pen is going to be. That's it. Welcome to the future. You can even transform your handwriting into text or add animations to videos to flex your creativity. Hold on, that's not the end. The S Pen packs Bluetooth connectivity that allows you to take photos with the stylus from quite some distance. So, there is no need to touch the phone. And the gestures it offers? It would take a whole video to cover it up. Overall, the S Pen is pretty next level on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Nevertheless, the S series always focused on performance and better camera quality, and there's nothing different in the S22 Ultra, though it almost looks like a Galaxy Note. This smartphone comes with a 108MP main, 12MP ultra-wide, and two 10MP telephoto cameras, from which one can zoom up to 3 times and the other one up to 10 times, just like last year's Galaxy S21 Ultra. But Samsung claimed that the Galaxy S22 Ultra has an even better camera than before. It features an improved sensor to snap marvelous photos at night or in low light condition, and Samsung named it nightography. Though night mode photos are more detailed and dramatically brighter than before, this could be a bit of a downside for the user who wants to keep the nighttime photos looking like they're captured at night. As before, S22 Ultra also supports 100x zoom with AI super resolution technology, which allows you to take photos without going near and surprisingly delivers more details and more accurate color without making it too noisy. There are also two new major features you should look for. One is Auto FPS, which automatically adapts the FPS based on the lighting condition, and another one is Auto Framing, which is just the zoom level based on how many people are in the frame. This smartphone also comes with a 58% wider political image stabilization system, which gives the main camera more room to move that reduces the shakiness from photos or videos. For flagships like the S22 Ultra, nothing seems to be more important than the performance and processor, and this has also been a worthy upgrade. Samsung used Qualcomm's latest 4nm chip Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which not only gives you the performance, but also offers intelligent image processing and an optimized mobile gaming experience. It also comes with up to 12GB of RAM to give you the compatibility of multitasking, so you can be more productive than before. Besides, up to 1TB of storage option lets you store anything you like, whether it's your favorite movie that you might want to watch multiple times or memories that you would want to cherish forever. However, who needs 1TB of storage in a smartphone anyway? Let's go back to gaming performance. You already know there are lots of PC games that are available as mobile versions with excellent graphics quality, and the Galaxy S22 Ultra can run heavy games like Call of Duty and the latest Asphalt at maximum graphics, ensuring a constant 60 frames per second performance. Even after playing for longer hours, we did not find any lag or stuttering. But to play such high-end games for a long time, you need great battery backup, which you might not get with the S22 Ultra. Samsung has provided the same battery capacity as the S21 Ultra. Both come with a 5000 mAh battery, and Samsung claims the S22 Ultra will give you at least 2 hours more battery life compared to S21 Ultra. But in our test, S22 Ultra's battery drains faster than the S21 Ultra. Keeping all aside, we're hoping for a firmware update from Samsung that will fix the battery issue. However, charging the device does see an upgrade, since you can juice it up with the device faster than before because the S22 Ultra is capable of charging at 45 watts max. All being said, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or Note Ultra, whatever you name it, really does perform amazingly, and there is no doubt to say that. It delivers outstanding camera quality, S Pen responsiveness, immersive gaming experience, and that's all in a single flagship smartphone. So, what do you think? Are you going to upgrade your smartphone to S22 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.